Since you're Brittany over here, what?
Mm. Mm. Thank you, right. Down with them, yes, man.
Speak up, I block you.
What am I doing? Kind of.
I said, me, I go block you. You come on from my life. And you say, if you can't over Zozo, you make me know so me can block you too. Since I watch you know and watch you come over here. No man have none for say for me here. The whole of the two mix up. No man have a moment or time. She didn't sit down and humble. No business the people want to do. But the woman have to say to you. You don't know the woman? Yeah? You know Zozo? Your madam come rub your tongue through my clip, dirty girl. You have somebody? Eh? You have somebody idiot girl?
And some period blood, them guys. And some period blood. One splash of blood, nothing else. Some period blood, them.
Me know say that be always people there on the app. And me a go block you now. Maya bad man. Me only just get up on bad man me and me not look good. Eh? Eh? And who sound no good and not look good? Stuff dog. Look for Maya face pan her DP. Maya face of a 53-year-old and a size of a young 23-year-old woman. Eh? Big woman like you we could have been my mother come over here start tell me how me look. Eh? Eh? Big old a 50-year-old girl. Eh? You look move your back more bigger. See my back here. Show me your back. Show me your back. You don't even look like me. Me say you don't even look like me. None at all. You can't look like me. You can't look like me. Stuff duck. I love man. Stuff duck. I love this stuff duck. Let me see what my stuff duck says.
Go and tell you.
Prep.
Them bad mind your sister Zozo.
A period blood them.
Alright, me done talk. And one word my brother say man.
A blood in a pot them be.
Maya look like 53-year-old. It could have been my mother. Make Brit talk. If Brit want talk after Brit not dumb.
Yeah. So everybody good morning. Yeah man. Why bother upon that call me asleep still, you know. Tired on that time, man, you know.
Me say some man. Maya a long time big woman. Maya look like say she have some barrel or yard from 1704. Yeah man, and them big woman type, the Maya look like company and alright now Maya can't come on the life, come show her back. The whole of the phone, I go take the whole of her back, I go take over the phone.
Yeah. Believe me, man. Big up everybody over there, you know, man. Believe, you know. Everybody sending some gift now, please, huh? Please and thanks.
And me I go block your Maya.
We can send it, Galaxy them, the money gun them. Come in.
Maya not sure.
Cash out today, no.
Me say all them at this.
All we can step forward, just step forward, you know?
Girl, they do too much. Where you
Come in, chat. Wanna see if you can send some gift me, we can shout. Send in the wheel them, send the lion them. Brick there, man. See Prudent right beside me, I say, man. All the valve for come in today. So, all the valve for come in. Just believe, man. Not tell me about June 10 right now. Not tell me about June 10 right now. Right now, I'm wanting to send in the gift them. When I've been and say when Prudent come out here now. So, no come bother with the excuse them. No bother with the excuse them. Prudent come out. So who can do it? Do it. No worry about I Brit phone this too. I Brit phone this too. So no can tell me about where Brit phone there. I Brit phone this too. I two away I use it. Yeah man. And me and mom sleep together. I two away there together. So if fuck you go ask me what she phone there for. What the phone? Why difference? Now a man this here. If you not have it man, go on where you go man. Go on where you go man. Cause things not pretty you know. So I wake up with my face sour. Send in one and send in man, okay short. And big up all like true girl, big up all like I told them over here. Yeah man. All who so then want support Brit for now. Cause I been a talk about why and when Brit come out me I go do it you know. See Brit come out here now, so do it. See Brit there my tour here now, so do it. Yeah, do it. And no bother with the excuse them. No excuse no there over here so. No bother with no excuse in the morning. Yeah. Brit there man.
Don't put the camera up on me.
Nah, put the camera up on you, baby. Seriously? I say I take me down. Mom's good, man. Show more, show them say you're active.
Take it off of me.
You're active, man. Come in now, people, you know. Do the right thing. You alright? On some feet. Oh, let's make sure.
That's not what I first one.
Alright, then we'll just a little bit, we'll go there, so. Call the driver and then get it together. Alright, now call the driver and tell him to come pick you up now.
What time is the driver? But no other person.
Come in my side, Angel for life. Big up all of us sending the gift them, you know? Yeah. B.E. Carla, big up yourself, you support same way. Yeah, man. Shy, thank you very much to you know. Yeah, man. Share per life for me there. Make some more gift I can come in, come drop a lion today. Today we want the lion chat. Today we want the lion chat. Today we want the lion.
I say me not black them. Me not black them.
Bad up, more circle up here.
Alright.
Alright, sis.
Yeah, bro. Make them
Yeah, man, she go on, man. Anything she wants, she go get today.
What's up?
There, see you all go on. You put on line for your DP now. You have on line for your DP, man.
Yeah.
Line me I beg this morning, you know.
I beg lion.
Yeah, man, I beg a line in the morning, you know. Come in, chat.
Come in, chat. Send him the lion. Send him the lion.
Yeah, man. Do it on
Guys, send him the lion.
Use up a double chat. Wheel, life goal chat, and come in.
Thank you for the phone.
Come in, chat. Focus. Come
Guys,
in.
come on.
Send in the gift them, man. Send in the gift them.
Guys, something on the double team. Something on the double.
Come in, chat. Focus. Share per live. And share per live.
Okay, thank you though.
Come in, chat. And send in it. Send in it sitting them now. Lion and wheel. Post kitten.
Guys, I'm sending the lion them for Zozo and the puss kitten them on the wheel.
Yeah, man.
But me can't beg you one wheel.
Carla, we can beg you when I look really on them, Carla, I want flying jet. Come in, chat. Remember, it's our birthday there. Our birthday is now, you know. And my birthday is now.
Guys, look at this.
I don't want to tell me later. Who can do it now? Just do it. want to
Guys, 8 for 1 rose. Everybody send a rose. Everybody.
want to do it for no do it for clout. No sir. Which part 12 they go? 10. Which part 12 they go? 10. Come in chat. Send in the lion them chat. Focus, catch any speed. Send in the gift them for no chat. In there with me, so why me for call her? You should there with me, why me for call her? Carla, big up yourself in a Carla. Carla, today we all cash out to me in a Carla. Just remember good, you know. My foot, my arms, you know. Just remember good, isn't it? Yeah, man.